Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now if you love tacos, you have clicked on the right video. Guys, it is time for the Arizona Taco Festival once again. This is something that's been going on for about 11 years now, and each year there are more and more guests visiting the Taco Festival. So get your family and friends together and come on down to the Taco Festival. It's so much fun. Now, they do have a Facebook page for you to check out for the exact dates. Each year, usually I would start looking in September because the festival is usually in the fall when it's cool, say like October. But yeah, definitely check those dates on Facebook. And guys, here you go. So this is the grounds where the Taco Festival is held each year. It's in a really wide open field. Lots and lots of room here for everyone. And plenty of room for the kids to run around. Lots and lots of activities. So bring the kids so that they can enjoy themselves. And definitely bring your friends and family so you can all have lots and lots of fun. And so that's the whole idea of this. It's plenty of room. Once you get down there, you're going to see how huge it is. It's a massive area. As you can see, there are lots and lots of tents with a lot of different activities going on under those tents. As you can see, there's plenty going on here. Never a dull moment. So bring someone with you to enjoy. Now here is the Shots Bar tent. So as you're walking around, if you need to freshen up your drink, there you go. You have a Shots Bar, and there's plenty of tents with different drinks, beverages, foods, more tacos and things throughout the entire area. So as you can see, these tents go down pretty far. So there's all types of activities under the tent. And as you can see, there are lots and lots of people. So it's probably going to be even more people this year. So they do have the fun activities going on. So they have lots of entertainment for the kids and adults, different rides, the different inflatable fun toys to get in to keep everyone very well entertained. So just make sure that you are enjoying yourself. And here's two really large balls. You can get inside and just once you're inside, you just roll yourself down to the other end. So this one is really fun. So yep, come one, come all. Lots and lots of fun to be had by everyone. So yeah, and I definitely really enjoyed myself when I was at the Taco Festival. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of this year so that you can definitely take advantage and have fun.
Trilogy, and you know I'm rolling with this fucking. I got a bitch that text me, she ain't got. And then another one text me, always next me. Let me text you how it's back, like, fuck with you. Little stupid ass bitch, fucking with you. You look dumb, that trying fucking with you. I got a million trillion things, I'm gonna fucking with you. Then I be fucking with you. Little stupid ass.
Guys, also make sure that you are taking lots and lots of pictures of the beautiful flowers that they have on the outside perimeter of the Taco Festival, that field. They have flowers in that general area on the outside perimeter. These are bunny rabbit ears, cactus, and they are in full bloom. Very beautiful. And also they do have lots of different flowers. Here are some beautiful yellow blooming flowers. You may have to do a little bit of walking on the outside perimeter to find these flowers, but they are just very vibrant. And here are fuchsia color. These are very, very pretty. And wait until you see them in person. And then here's the multicolored flowers that I found. You can find these in any area. So I just wanted to present this festival information to you so that you can take advantage. It's going to be coming up really soon, so make your plans and have your fun. And if you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and like and subscribe and leave your comments down below.